Can't find the meme sound effects used by top editors? Don't worry, in this video I'm giving you the most used meme sound effects from editors like Fictic Edit and Heisty, all in one pack. Now let's get started.
Bruh.
That's why he's the GOAT!
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell. Let him cook! Let him cook now! Let him cook! I said, let him cook! Ah, shit. Let me go again.
Damn it! I can't move my body! Switch!
That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this pack, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.